If you are working remotely, traveling, or simply care about your online privacy, a reliable VPN is no longer optional. It is essential. Today, we are reviewing PureVPN, one of the most trusted names in online privacy since 2007. I will break down its security features, real world performance, streaming tests, pricing, and whether I personally recommend it in 2025. PureVPN is a global VPN service based in the privacy friendly British Virgin Islands, offering encrypted browsing, IP masking, and fast private internet access. And in 2025, online privacy is more important than ever, especially if you work remotely or travel often. The key features are 8,000 plus servers, 70 plus locations, 10 devices at once, fast WireGuard protocol. Let us talk security, because this is where PureVPN shines. AES 256 encryption is the gold standard. No logs policy. It is independently audited. Kill switch. It prevents data leaks if the VPN disconnects. Split tunneling. It chooses what apps go through the VPN. DNS and IP leak protection. WireGuard protocol, which is faster and more secure. If you are using public Wi Fi in cafes, airports, co working spaces, or hotels, PureVPN keeps your data protected from snooping, hackers, and tracking. As you know, performance matters, especially for streaming, Zoom calls, and downloads. PureVPN scored strong speeds in tests, especially with WireGuard. Here is an example of speed overlay. No VPN, approximately 300 megabits per second. PureVPN WireGuard, approximately 260 megabits per second. In real-world use, I experienced smooth browsing, stable video calls, and no lag switching between servers. PureVPN is also solid for streaming. It works with Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Hulu, BBC iPlayer. If you are traveling and still want access to your home content library, PureVPN gets the job done. There are two optional add-ons worth mentioning: dedicated IP for banking, business systems, secure access, and port forwarding for gamers, remote home access, hosting. Not everyone needs them, but if you run a remote team or access private dashboards, dedicated IP is super useful. Now, pricing. And the 2025 deal is impressive. 2-year plus 3 months for only $1.99 per month. Black Friday 2025. Plus 31 days money back guarantee. For less than the price of a coffee each month, you are getting premium security and consistent performance. PureVPN is ideal if you are a remote worker, a digital nomad, a freelancer handling client data, a traveler using public Wi Fi, someone who values privacy and streaming access. If that sounds like you, PureVPN is a strong, budget friendly pick. PureVPN is fast, secure, affordable, and reliable. For remote professionals, travelers, and privacy focused users, it is absolutely worth it in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more. Remote future, work smarter, live better.